Hello everybody, today we're going to be looking at this very nice Lithonia lighting, 70 watt high pressure sodium yard light. Now this particular yard light was bought at a restore in Denver, Colorado for $10, which is actually quite cheap if I am allowed to say that. Normally these types of yard lights cost around $50 to $60 a kit, which is very expensive. But I luckily found one for $10, which was actually very cheap if I am allowed to say that. But anyways, let's go ahead and dive into this yard light and see what we have that makes up this yard light. So we'll start on the top end and we'll end on the bottom here. First off, we have our little photocell cap that powers the fixture. So anyways, if you unscrew it to the left and take it off, and this is just the photocell cap. So here you can see the specifications. And see it has a time delay of up to 2 minutes. You can see all the different voltages that it can withstand. But anyways, enough me talking now. Let me go ahead and put this back on and we'll get to a little bit more about it. So anyways, I gotta make sure it's on the right socket here. And make sure that this is screwed on right. There we go. And it also locks in, which is quite cool. So you don't pull it off by accident if you operate this yard light. Here we have the little head right here, and this is where the ballast is stored. And there's that. It's made of nice thick aluminum. Here we have our reflector right here. This is I believe a 8-inch reflector or something like that. And we also have a very nice brand new refractor as well. And it did not come with the bulb once I got the fixture, but luckily I do have a 70 watt high pressure sodium lamp to run this fixture on. And here's the refractor like I said, and I'll show you the inside a little bit. And here's the bulb that I'm going to be running it. It's my old vintage Sylvania Lumen 70 watt mogul based high pressure sodium bulb. I already made a video of this bulb way back in June of 2019. So I've had this bulb for well over a year. I've had it for 1.5 years, so that's a pretty long time if I'm allowed to say that. So anyways, here's the inside. You can see I screwed on these little screws to keep this little head steady, because this is actually in 2 parts. I already wired it up, as you can see. And not gonna lie, this is actually a very nice yard light. So anyways, I think that is that. Now I'm going to give you some specifications about the yard light and then I'll turn it on. So this particular yard light here produces 6300 lumens, around that range, because it's high pressure sodium and it's 70 watts. Ballast type is S62 and it is rated 1.6 amps, and lifetime on the bulb is 24,000 hours. So that's quite nice. So anywho, I believe that's that. I don't think I have any more specifications to say out loud. I'll put the rest in the description below once you see that. So anyways, I think we're ready to give this fixture a shot here. So anyways, I'm going to set the camera right where the arc tube is so you can get a good view of the arc tube turning on. And this bulb has been used, so it may not be at full brightness like it should be if it's actually brand new. So anyways, I believe that's that. Let's go ahead and turn on this high pressure sodium yard light. Here we go. So the yard light is at full brightness, and as you can see by the wavelengths on the camera, it is super bright in here. Even though it only puts out 6,300 lumens, I still think that's quite bright. So anyways, you can see that this yard light here lights up this room very nicely, and very nice high pressure sodiumly yellow, because of course sodium emits yellow when turned on. So anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this very nice short little video of this Lithonia lighting 70 watt high pressure sodium yard light. And as always, please comment, rate, and subscribe, and thank you all very much for watching.